Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about what is parameterization and different types of parameters available in QTP. Parameterization is nothing but replacing the hard-coded values with variables. In QTP there are three types of parameters are there. They are data table parameters, environment variable parameters and random number parameters. We will start with data table parameters first. To show this, I am opening the flight application and I am recording a simple script here. The script is recorded now and I am stopping the recording, and if you see here, every line of code is having a hard-coded value. So currently username and password fields, the line of code is having hard-coded values. So now we are going to replace these hard-coded values with variables. So before going to parameterize this test by using data table parameter, I am going to change set secure method to set method in the password field line. So here I am just removing it and I am going to give the normal value as Mercury. And if you want to parameterize this test by using data table parameters, go to keyword view and decide which field to parameterize first. So here we are planning to parameterize username field and password field. Select username field and click under value column. Whenever you click there, it will be showing you a configure the value button. Click on that button once again. Then select parameter from the drop down. And from the drop down you have to choose data table. By default data table will be selected, so you need not to change anything. Then you have to give a name to it. You have to provide the column name. So the column name, data table parameter name, we have to provide here. So the parameter name I am providing here like username. Then click on OK. In the same manner, parameterize the second field, that is password field. So replacing constant value with parameter. So selecting the second radio button, that is parameter, and now from the drop down you choose data table and give that name as password. Then click on OK button. Now go back to expert view. Before, these two fields were having constant values or hard-coded values. Now both are replaced with the variables. So here both are parameterized with data table parameters, and in the drop down in the bottom of the screen you can see the data table, and it contains two columns, and both the columns contains data. Now we will discuss about the second parameterization concept, that is environment variable parameters. To define or to create the environment variables, go to file menu, select settings, then select environment, then go to user defined. Here create two environment variables. One is env username and give the default value and click on OK, and create one more environment variable by clicking on this add button again. So env password and the value I am giving here like Mercury. Then click on OK and apply the changes. To utilize the environment variables which we have created, go to keyword view and click under value column for username field. Click on configure the value button. Select the parameter radio button here, and from the drop down choose environment. And from the name drop down you have to choose the environment variable which we have created. So that is env username, and then click on OK. And in the same way, parameterize the password field with environment variable in the same manner by clicking on configure the value button, then choose parameter radio button here, then from the drop down you choose environment and then search for the env password field in the name drop down, then click on OK. Now you can see both the fields are parameterized with environment variables. And the third parameterization concept available in QTP is random number parameters. If you want to generate the random numbers in QTP, then the random number parameterization concept will be useful. So to generate the random numbers, use the method called random number and provide the range. So range I am providing in between 10, 30 and put the message box in front of that and click on run button to execute. The same thing you can do directly from keyword view as well. Go to keyword view, click on the value column, click on configure the value button, from the select parameter radio button, then from the drop down you choose random number and provide the numeric range. And click on OK. Now go to expert view.